नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका डी रामाराव, डायरेक्टर इंडिया विंग्स. Today I have come with a very useful information as whole nation is celebrating Republic Day. It is always a privilege when it comes to hoist the tricolor on special occasions like Independence Day and Republic Day. On many occasions, ex-servicemen, serving officers and high dignitaries are invited to hoist the national flag and to offer honor to our national flag. The flag hoisting is not the same on both the occasions. We have to remember few critical points when it comes to tricolor. The tricolor always should be tied at the waist level before it is raised to the topmost level of the flagpole. It should never be tied too tight so that it doesn't develop wrinkles. When you are choosing a fabric for national flag, always choose a wrinkle-free fabric so that when it is tied before hoisting the flag, it will not develop wrinkles. Also ensure that Ashoka Chakra is having 24 spokes or not. Ashoka Chakra should be always in blue color. Sometimes it can be wrongly printed in black color. The size of the flag should always be 2:3 ratio. Means it should be always in rectangular position, in rectangular shape, and should be tied well after hoisting the flag. On many occasions, after hoisting the flag, while securing the ropes, the flag is likely to come down by half feet to 1 feet, which should be avoided. When it comes to hoisting the flag, as you all know, we got independence on 15th August 1947, which means we are becoming independent on the day of 15th August from the British rule. To commemorate the Independence Day on August 15th, we will be hoisting the flag from the waist level to the topmost level of the flagpole. Whereas on January 26th, we will not be doing the same, but we will keep the flag folded at the top of the flagpole, and we will just unfurl the flag so that the flag will start unfluttering. This is the basic difference between the August 15th Independence Day celebrations flag honoring and 26th January flag honoring. Hope it is very clear to all of you. As you all know, we got the independence on 15th August and hence we celebrate it as Independence Day. Whereas on 26th January 1950, we brought the Constitution into the force, hence we celebrate it as Republic Day. I would like to conclude with few quick points. The flag should not be crushed or wrinkled when you are hoisting the flag or unfurling the flag. Ensure that Ashoka Chakra is dark navy blue in color and has 24 spokes. The size of the flag should be in 2:3, means in the rectangular shape, and flag should be hoisted on August 15th and unfurled on January 26th. Keep these points in mind, dear friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am very grateful to all my veterans who have supported me in promoting Defense Decor, promoted by my company India Wins, and also I got very good feedback on the quality of the products, and also very grateful to all the subscribers of my YouTube channel India Wins. for subscribing, liking and sharing my video. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe to get alerts whenever I upload a new video with some useful information. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.